This year, I'm not looking back to who I was, because I'm gonna be someone I've never been. This year, I'm not focused on the cracks in the walls, not keeping track of all the times I fall. This year, so long to last year, it's all becoming so clear. There's no use living in regret. Let's fight a good fight, train our eyes to find the light, and make this year the best one yet. Starting right here. Happy New Year. This year, I can't wait to see what good will come. To feel alive instead of feeling numb. This year, I plan on thinking less of I and me. I resolve to think of us and we. This year, so long to last year, it's all becoming so clear. There's no use living in regret. Let's fight a good fight, train our eyes to find the light, and make this year the best one yet. Starting right here. Happy New Year. So long to last year, it's all becoming so clear. There's no use living in regret. Let's fight a good fight, train our eyes to find the light, and make this year the best one yet. Starting right here. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
So hello, beautiful people. Good morning and welcome to our first episode of Sunya Sundays. And where are my co-hosts? Sorry. Ayan. So I am Tina.
I'm
Hello.
Martin. Sorry.
Hello, I am Zai. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody. And welcome to our very, very first episode for year 2021, which Dr. Lim fondly calls the year of Sunya. Diba? So yeah, 2021 as the year of Sunya. How does it get any better than this?
Yes, what else is possible? I love that 2021 is a year of Sunya, the year of consciousness.
And the year of happy idiots.
Yes. Yes.
Oh. Ayan. So, thank you for tuning in for our session. Actually, we don't really have a topic in store kasi when there's nothing to teach naman talaga in Sunya. It's something that you just do and you practice. And it could bring a lot of contributions to your life. So we're just here to remind you once again, as always, since our last episode na To Do Sunya. So we're here as the reminders. Kami ang inyong, ano ba yan, conscientia or the consciousness. Kami ang inyong consciousness. Saying, hello, nagsunya ka na ba?
Berries of consciousness, cute nun.
Yes, the berries of consciousness.
Darlene is so cute.
Kaya nga.
With my short
Perfect.
hair.
And for the new year, she cut her hair.
Wow.
Short.
See, it's a short. Oh, gahapon pa. Long time ago in Bethlehem. Charot lang.
Did
Mga
not know.
weeks. So see, she's short hair.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
very short.
She's wearing a mala.
Yes, of course. My
Yeah.
Cartier. Ayan.
It's also the mala of river of forgetfulness na mala, where
Yeah.
you forget everything. No name, no form.
So true. It's inspired by the river of forgetfulness wherein wala nang name and wala nang form when you forget everything. Because when you're willing to be nothing, you can have everything. So yeah, forget everything first. And you can have everything.
Yes. Yes, true. So reset.
Yes. And also it's really more about resetting, just like Sunya. And our practice in Sunya is really all about that, resetting. Walang iba, resetting. Restore, pwede rin restore factory settings ata yung river of forgetfulness. Restore
Usap.
factory settings, mag-usab jud ang tanan.
Going back to zero. Nai ka na.
Yes. And our Crown Ambassador, Nang Swalto, is also watching us right now. Hello daw.
Hello, Nai. Happy New Year.
And we would like to honor and acknowledge her for being one of the guests. No, actually, she's the guest for the opening salvo for year 2021 for the Zamboanga team. Kila Tita Tata, John, Chin, Ate Feby, and Tito Arman, Tita Merlinda, Kuya Ray, everybody there are our Zamboanga leaders who are actually also Sunyatis. They just had a very wonderful opening salvo for their team for year 2021. Because it's another fun day for all, fun year for all of us. So yeah, would you choose 2021 as a fun year for you?
True, that was Team Masaya. It had a really, really masaya space early. Yeah. Congratulations!
Congrats! And maybe Zai and Darling can say something about like reminders for all about Sunya, and what can you say about for our year 2021? What are possible?
Dark first.
Me first. Why? Zai? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, because of the hair.
The shortest hair start.
Okay. Reminder, right? Reminder. Yeah, nalibog ko kung unsa akong language gamiton. Wait lang.
So let's do saksak sinagol.
Okay. English na lang, okay. Yeah, just like what Ate Christine said when we started, there's nothing really so much to teach about Sunya, but it's more on your commitment to yourself. That's what I've learned in the past few months, that any self-mastery or personal development actually is a commitment to yourself, and everything starts with the commitment to yourself, to choose for yourself and not discount yourself. And I think that's one of the things that, although not part of the Sunya, like what is taught in Sunya, but I think it's one of the things that Sunya has helped me, is to also receive more, to receive without too much thinking, kanang sa mind good na stuff. Like you just receive, because just be without processing anything, and that is what Sunya has taught me. And Mama says I should say it in Tagalog. So Um, hindi naman po talaga mahirap yung sunya na pagsasanay. But, pero ang isang bagay na natutunan ko sa pagsusunya is, or napansin ko sa sarili ko, na naituro ng sunya at masasabi kong naging contribution ng sunya sa akin is ang pagiging mas pagiging mas open to receiving. Ganun na lang. Lahat ng siguro nakakaintindi ko ano yung open to receiving. So, yeah.
Sa pati receiving, di ka balon. Saan man yun, no? Maging pagdawat, ramang gud akong kabalo sa Bisaya. Pagdawat at pagtanggap. Ayan.
Okay.
Pagtanggap
ng walang kapalit. Wow.
Yeah.
Gifting. I think it's the receiving of gifts. And yeah, pagtanggap. Ayan, sabi ni Grace. Hi, Grace. And
Hi,
also watchers. And then, yeah, I think that's all for me. So satisfied na. I give the crown. Ibigay ko na ang corona. Hindi yung yung itong corona. Katisay.
Thank you. Yes, tinatanggap ko ang corona. Yes, Sunya, for this year or since 2019 to last year, ano ba? Medyo hindi ko na masyado kilala ang sarili ko. Ganun lang yan. So, yeah, parang ang laki ng difference from who I was before Sunya and who I am right now. So every day, nagre-reset din ako. My character, who I am. So it's really, really, really fun. And, you know, more space. It gives me a lot space and allowance sa aking self and to the people around me that not everything is about me. So, yes, ganun siya. It really helps. Sunya helped me a lot in mental chuva-chuva, mga, diba? Kung wala sigurong Sunya nung nag-start ang pandemic, it could have been really, I don't know though, but imagine if we did not practice Sunya before the pandemic happened, parang madugo siya. Diba? Kasi madrama ang surroundings. So, yes. Sunya really helped me to be in the present moment, to be aware kung ano man ang mga maaring gawin for today and for the future. So, there you go. And because of that, hindi kami nauubusan ng ganap. Diba? Simula nung nag-umpisa tayong mag-practice ng Sunya, hindi tayo nauubusan ng mga ganap sa ating life. Marami tayong events. And speaking of events, iniimbitahan namin kayo na sumali bukas sa aming Facebook Live ng Sunya Meditation at 11 a.m. Okay na ba? Asan na si Teacher Tina? Can I plug the Sunya Meditation for tomorrow?
Yes, go ahead.
So,
Roger,
yes.
Roger that.
Yeah, so, yes, dahil nga doon, marami kaming ganap, and ang first na gagawin natin together will be the Sunya Meditation tomorrow, January 11th at 11:11 a.m. So, saan? Where?
Of course, dito lang sa Fox Tribe. Ayan, sa Facebook Live pa rin, and we will be sharing it to all our pages. Currently, right now, we're supposed to be cross-posting in Sunya PH, but then hindi nga nagtsuva ang aking Google Chrome. Anong nangyari, Google? Ano ba ang nangyari sa'yo? So, nag-Safari po ako ngayon. Kaya medyo walang cross-posting na nangyayari. But just stay tuned in Fox Tribe. You will see us tomorrow for the Facebook Live. But actually, I don't think you will see our face. You don't need to see our face though. Ano lang kami, audibles lang kami, hello, ganun lang kami guys. So that you can go about your, or what if we're ready, if our face are ready, charot lang. Then we will show ourselves. We will see. Kasi at the same time, while we are like having lives, Facebook lives, at the same time, we have a lot of online classes that takes us until dawn in the morning. So mga mukha namin is so very funny right now because we have so many online classes and the time zones are like in the US and all of that. And so we're like in many time zones right now. So mga teachers namin in all over the world. So it's like hindi lang kami Asian, guys. Kaya yeah, that's why most of our creates are in the afternoon. Because medyo nababaliktad ng aming ngayon, nababaliktad sa no? But really, the 11:11 is the earliest that we will be doing for now, because we have been doing so much, and yeah, yun nga, as what Zai said, ever since we started doing Sunya, things became like unstoppable, and we're just like creating, and usahay magsabay na siya tanan, and it's like, okay, but it's a good thing that we have Sunya because we can all manage it in a sense that sometimes si Zai lang o si Darlene, sometimes me and Zai, sometimes we get to multiply ourselves. Like Naruto, na dumadami si Naruto ba ito nagadaghan? Tama ba?
Joke lang.
Tama ba? Si Naruto
Ninjutsu.
Gremlin man tong managhan pa sa mag-ulan, 'di ba? So di man ta Gremlin, guys, Naruto na lang ta kay medyo powerful pa. Ha?
Mushroom.
Ay, mushrooms. Yes. When there is thunder, mushroom comes. Ayan. So that's us. That's us. Like when there is thunder, we mas marami tayo because thunder is akin to like, storm or whatever, diba? So parang dahil nagka-COVID, charot lang, because we had undergone a challenge in our society, mas parang dumami ang mga sunyatis, no? So as what a Chinese proverb says, ano yun? There's like possibilities. So opportunity actually ang term, but we like to call it possibilities. There are possibilities in every challenge. So yeah, if you're still not receiving from the possibilities of 2020, how can you receive the possibilities of 2021? So let's just allow that, allow and be grateful for 2020, and also being grateful for 2021 at the same time.
True.
Diba? Kasi sabi nga nila, the end is in the beginning.
And the beginning, the end.
Parang the beginning is in the end. Parang how you ended something is how you will begin something. Like if you ended something, like for example, ayoko na ng 2020, gusto ko na mag 2021. So if you ended the 2020 in that state, how can you end the 2021? So it's the same thing with relationships. Diba? I break up with you, o ganon. So nag-break up ka, o galit na galit ka, so you left it. How can you begin a new relationship with that anger, diba? So that's why it's really nice to have Sunya. Kasi at least you ended or started the year with Sunya. So start the year with us, start the year with Sunya with us. Diba? And you don't have to wait for tomorrow. You can do Sunya now. Although we will do it tomorrow as a schedule for all. But don't wait for tomorrow. I mean, diba? Tomorrow, who will pay the bill tomorrow? Tomorrow. So, do it now. Start now. If you can do Sunya now, start with 9 to 0. It's very easy. Paulit-ulit kami sa aming mga wall. Minsan parang, di ba, Shanyu or mura ganing, hala, uy, kanang, dili ba sila magsawa sa toa, nagpaulit-ulit ta ilang question, kay same lang, manggod.
True. What else is possible?
Oh, true. So, yun lang aking masasabi for tomorrow, 11/11.
Yeah, so Darlene, papasahan ng bola, no?
Anay na. So, yeah, I think we'll just be quick naman today though. We don't have any Sunya lesson, but we suggest if you are a DXN member, go to Dr. Lim's Facebook page and check out his latest videos about Shang Han Lun if you want to learn more about the herbal medicine. If you want to be an herbalist, how did we get so lucky that one of the best herbalists in the world who really produces his own herbs and own concoctions is teaching us the same things that he learned with ease. He simplified everything. We don't have to,
for free.
And for free. How did we get so lucky? So, diba? It's for free also. So, nasa sa atin na talaga yan, guys. The XN has been providing us. This is what we are always saying, that we're always provided, meaning lagi nang binibigay sa atin. Binibigay sa atin ang lahat. But are you willing to receive? And a lot of people always gives reason not to receive. Hala, bakit ganyan? So, but really, are you receiving sunya? Are you receiving the gift of sunya? And a lot of people make reason, no, wala akong time to do it. 5 minutes, walang time to do it. Okay, so what else is possible? Yeah, Shanier.
Hindi nga siya 5 minutes. It's just
3.
3 minutes.
Oo, ang 9 to 0 is only 3, 1 to whatever, how long is your breathing, and it doesn't take so much of your time. If you can do a lot of games, if you can do a lot of complaints, instead of complaining, if you catch yourself complaining, why not take a deep breath and do reverse counting before you complain? No, bago tayo magreklamo, let's take a deep breath and do the reverse counting. So those are just my suggestions, because that is what I do. That is what I do. Like if I catch myself getting into whatever emotions, I catch myself and okay, I'll just do sunya and reset myself and see if it's still true for me, if it is still me. Because sometimes all this feeling is just your unwillingness to receive from whatever is showing up in your life right now. So yeah. Maybe for 2021, what if you just start the habit of sunya?
Exactly. And you can actually share it with the world. Share it muna sa iyong mga kasama sa bahay so that meron kayong daily habit, and then share it sa friends, because what if someone is also needing this one, or it could be somebody's requirement for their growth, and then ikaw pala yung magdadala nito ng gift sa kanila. So what else is possible? What gift could you be?
Yes, so true. How did we get so lucky that we can give this as a gift to everybody? And it's a gift that could change a lot of lives if they do it daily. If you do it daily. In Sunya, it's not about patagalan tayo, like sino ang nag 1 hour dyan. Wala, you don't see us asking, huy Zay, nag 1 hour na ka Zay? Wala namin nagaana. We don't, but we join Sunya Marathon though, just for the fun of it, not to be better than the other. It's just for fun. Nothing like, uy, dapat masahod ko. Wala siya ana. Nothing of that sort. That's why we like it. That's why we like Sunya, because it's something that we can give to others without the pressure of being better than the others. It's just you and your journey. So it's you looking at your own bakod, not looking at, di ba, this is where Dr. Lim's song comes in, yung sa ato ang DXN, don't look left, don't look right. Ay nasig tanaw dira sa left o sa right, guys. Tanawa na imong sulod. Tanawa kung asa ka. Look at where you are right now. And that's the best space to be where you are. Kasi that's you. If we look at other people, and tanawa na sila, wala man gani sila nagsunya. So, diba? So, or, so, there's always, again, in Desiderata, there's always someone greater or lesser. Our favorites here. And, diba? No? There's always someone greater or lesser, and dili siya a contribution unless you're a great transmuter and you use compare as a contribution for you. That is wonderful. Like, you use compare not to be better than the other, but oh yeah, I like that also. I mean, that's okay. But if you use it in a yung parang hindi na siya fun way na, yung parang you stop the other, wag mo na siya ipa-create. You try to, tickle up the person. No. It's really allowing everybody to be great in this space. So that is the gift of us. No? Yan. So yon, parang ano na talaga. But these are the things that we also learned in just our sitting. Paglilingkod. Paglilingkod. Bisaya man to guys, no? Paglilingkod. Sa aming pag-uupo. Ayan, sa pag-upo. Ayan.
Pagninilay-nilay.
So, ginapakatawa lang tamo guys, para dili pag kayo ta seryoso, because Dr. Lim is also, I know Dr. Lim is also a funny person. Like, he likes to laugh a lot. And when he teaches us Sunya, he laughs a lot, he smiles a lot. And it's really a contribution. So, yon. So, yon. Ha?
Paglilingkod pa rin service service to others.
O, diba? Paglilingkod pa rin is service to others. Diba? Kita no, kay mulingkod na lang ta guys, mag-serve pa ta. Bisaya, mulingkod na lang ta, nag-serve paghihapon ta.
True.
Oh, kayo ta, mulingkod lang ta, nag-serve na ta. So that is the Bisaya gift. So, again, yun lang. Those are our reminders, and see you tomorrow.
Yes. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Same time. Same channel. Hindi, joke.
Yes, same time.
I'm here.
Yes, and start Sunya now. And hello to Tita Letty, and Tito Devin. Hello. And
Cebu.
yes.
Cebu. Yes.
From Cebu. And also we have Mr. Joffrey Bainosa of Visayas also, Negros Occidental kanina. He was also watching. Sino pa, Darlene? Si Aurora Alexander. Miss you daw. Ayan. And of course, the ladies, Glow Up by Jen Theory. And we have Fanny, and I'm sure Hannah is there beside.
Miss Pro Wisdom and Miss Money Merchant.
Yes.
Opo.
And also we have Miss Emily Pascolado.
Hello, Miss Emily.
Hello.
Mary Villaruel.
Hello. And of course, Ate Grace.
Yes.
Hello, Grace.
So,
here, diba?
yeah.
Hello, Nay.
Hello, Mama. Ayan. So, thank you everybody for watching us today, and we wish you a Sunya, fun-filled Sunya. Charot, gisagol-sagol lang ako. Fun-filled freedom Sunya. Wala lang, ginasamok-samok lang yun tamo guys. Basta mag-Sunya, mao lang yun na. So, mao lang niya. So, when do we do Sunya? Now. And see you, and xie.
Xie.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.